Hello, we know where our fingers go. You have your thumb, 6th string, low E, all right? And your other 3 are at the ready. They're at the ready right here on the G, B, and E string, okay? All we're going to do for now is just play the thumb on the low E string. All your strings, you don't have to do anything with your fretting hand, but we have 1. We're just gonna pluck that low E string. And it may be weird. Actually, you play piano, so you already have that independence. So we're just going to pluck that low E string. That's all we're going to do. Get used to that. The nice thing is you can relax, no pressure, no nothing. Just get used to it. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. That's all there is to it. That's all. And you can even take a break and go back and just, that's all there is to it. Chris, what do I do to practice? There you go. That's it. Just get used to it over and over and over again. No pressure, no stress, nothing. Just know that this is rock solid. This is going to be, beat 1. You're going to land on that root. All right. So we have low E, and take some time and make sure you're comfy. Are you, when you engage your thumb, are you really, putting pressure on these other 3 strings? You don't necessarily want pressure on it. All you want, you don't want to necessarily be pulling at these strings. They're just there for a guide. And if you find yourself pulling at the strings or you can't quite pluck the string, the low E string, without engaging these other 3 strings or these other 3 fingers, then what do you do? Okay, well, just take these 3 fingers off and get used to going pluck, pluck, pluck. And then slowly, it's like taking the problem from the other angle, right? Just pluck and try not to use these guys. Keep these guys nice and loose while you pluck that low E string. All right? Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know. So you're just plucking it. Then slowly, just lightly bring your other 3 fingers on those top 3 strings. All right? And that's what you're looking for. Nice and easy. You don't have to rip the string off the guitar. The guitar will project for you. So that's what we have. Well, I'll do another video and we'll just do a bunch of E's. All right? Let's give it a shot. I'll see you in a bit. All right?